Alright, first TA video of the day. So one of my subscribers asked me to cover this EGC coin yesterday. Never heard of it before, but I'll give it a review. So I checked out their website, and from what I can see, they're like a yield farming token with rewards paid out in BUSD. I mean, all in all, I'm not the biggest fan of what this token or this coin sounds like. Also, I have seen like a few warning signs, mainly that coin market cap doesn't have verified information on the market cap, doesn't have verified information on the circulating supply, and if this is the circulating supply and this is actually the max supply, I think it shows over here on CoinGecko as well, if I can find it. So if we look at the market cap, from what I can see here, the market cap is 267 million, and when we come over to here, the fully diluted market cap is, double that. So from what I can see, obviously this coin, I don't know if the total supply has been released. There's a lot of conflicting information on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So, personally, I wouldn't bet the farm on this token. Does have a fairly low market cap, but just considering how it's not really on many centralized exchanges, I can't seem to find anywhere that you can chart it apart from this website. I would be slightly cautious about entering this. Personally, it's not for me, but I will give it a review for you. So the chart looks, I mean, it could look worse, but alright, just gonna have to give me a second. I'm not used to. Here we go. So I don't know what's wrong with this website because I can't use the fib down here for some reason. I'll have to draw it somewhere else and then drag it down. Fib retracement. So if I draw it from the low to the high, you can see, okay, so I assumed when I drew this chart, eyeballing it, that we may be above the 786, but unfortunately we are below the 786 right now. So there's not too much TA I can do on this coin. I mean, we do have some BS trend line that we have broken out of like this, but when we have such steep resistance like that, I really wouldn't pay too much attention to the resistance. So if we do come into the short term, all in all, I mean, I wouldn't get out of bed for this token whatsoever until we do have a solid break above the 734 level. There doesn't seem to be too much volume coming into this coin token whatsoever. If I do zoom in and take another fib, this chart is so hard to use. I can't scroll down. If I take a fib from the low to the high, you can see that something like this could happen. I mean, all in all, we are below the 786, so if we do break below this level here at 483, which isn't too much further, if we do bounce from it, you could potentially see a retest of this level. But let's take a price target, see how far we are from basically its death level. I think if we do break below this 618 in the short term, then this coin is probably gonna start trending towards zero. So we have about 10% worth of leeway, and this is giving it the benefit of the doubt because we are below the 786, we're below the 618. This coin, in my opinion, saw most of its euphoria over here. There is literally no volume, so I mean, I don't need to make this video too long. There's no volume in for this coin or token whatsoever. The only DEX or exchange that I could really find that you could buy this on is PancakeSwap. So I mean, so be it. There are a lot of other coins and tokens on PancakeSwap, but like I said, I wouldn't personally bet the farm on this because there is quite a lot of misinformation. Even CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, which are the best places to check for the information on market caps and total supply, etc. There's just a lot of misinformation. It's all jumbled. A lot of it isn't confirmed. A lot of it is self-reported market caps which haven't been verified. So all in all, I would keep away from this token. That's just my own opinion. If I did buy this token or coin, which personally I won't, I would only enter with a small position, hoping for a big breakout, because if we do return to these levels, we would have a mad return in price. But that is a little bit of hopium in my opinion. And I mean, to be honest, the risk-adjusted returns of a 5x returning to the all-time high don't really seem worth it to me when we are below the 786. So like I said, just quickly, personally, I wouldn't be entering this token or this coin, even if we did have a breakout of the 786. But until we do break above the 786, at least, I mean, that's giving it the benefit of the doubt. Personally, I'm a conservative trader, so I would like to see it above the 618. This is what I mean. This chart is so BS. I mean, look at this. This is horrible compared to using TradingView. I can't even move this to the side. So, obviously, that's not the fault of ECG. It's just, you know, there's no places where you can chart this really. So yeah, I mean, all in all, if we break below the 618 down here at 488, which is another 10% drop, then I would expect a massive drop, probably all the way down to here, which is, let's take a measured move tool. I would almost think that it's probably more likely to keep on breaking down. In my opinion, there's no volume in this coin. I haven't heard of this coin before or heard anything about it. I do believe, you know, I mean, if we come down to here, apparently that is a 99% drop. So I'm not saying that we're going to do that, but in my opinion, the risk-adjusted returns of this coin or token just don't seem worth it. We're below all the key areas that we want to be below. If I take the MFI, is there an MFI on here? So the money flow indicator, non-existent. If we take the RSI, no, non-existent either. So I don't know if this is just because there's no RSI or MFI on this coin, if it's so low. But you know, maybe this this Gecko terminal is just bullshit, because yeah, I can't find anything. I'm trying to think of anything else that I could use to chart this to see what's going on, but no, I mean, there's not really too much going on. If we take the moving average, I mean, I don't need to plot it on here, but let's see, 200-day moving average, I imagine we would be very far below the 200-day. Alright, and it doesn't even come up on this website, so this is the last time I'm probably using Gecko Terminal, but I could not find anywhere else to chart this specific coin. So all in all, your number one hopium level is this place down here actually, so the 618 is at 468. If we do lose 468, I imagine this coin is probably going to get rugged to zero at some point. If I am wrong and we do just have a massive parabolic jump, I would wait until we break above the 618 at 732. If we don't break above 732, you know, I would stay a million miles away from this, in my personal opinion. We are just pumping, dumping, and if we do have another pump and a dump below the 618, I could imagine, you know, at some point we're going to get rugged to zero. So that is all I see for ECG. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.